All right, guys, it's been a week in China.
Long week.
A long week, but it's been real. We're actually headed back down to Hong Kong now, and we are gonna go adventuring out there and see what's there. We don't even know, do we?
What are we gonna see?
Bunch of food, bunch of people.
Bunch of big Buddha statues.
Yes.
All right, let's check it out.
We're here on the street asking people, would you prefer the car on the right or the car on the left, which comes with a Meshify S2?
Dude, what's even going on here? The Lamborghini.
There you go. People prefer the Meshify S2.
While Brian's performance may be a bucket of fail, the new Meshify S2 is performance-driven. Visit our website to learn more.
Yeah, what do you think of the glasses?
Pretty cool.
Josh calls them my douchebag glasses.
I could see that.
Thanks. So we got to the airport, and now we're trying to figure out what to do with all of our luggage. And
We'll figure it out.
it's been quite the adventure so far, but yeah, we'll get into the city at some point. We figured it out. It was left baggage. That's where we had to go. So now we're all set. Right?
Sort of.
No.
We need coffee.
Coffee is imperative at this time. We've located coffee.
I located Red Bull.
Jamie has located Red Bull. I feel like such a weirdo doing this.
They probably think you are.
Yeah.
Hi.
Well, I know why that quote is anonymous. We're in a cab. And I blame that guy if things go wrong.
Yes. Me.
But he's been doing a great job so far. So we got to the cable car place to go up and see the Buddha, and the cable cars are not running right now. So we have to go see if we can find a bus. What are the odds of that happening? What did you say this was? Where's this bus going?
Pumpkin spice latte, 273A.
It's the PSL Express.
Next stop, Starbucks.
That's where we're going. Big Buddha.
Finally made it on the bus.
We're on the bus. We're gonna go see the Buddha now. And as soon as people stop getting on the bus, I will film our colleagues who have decided to not sit with us. They're sitting with a stranger.
Namaste.
Just let me out.
Stacy does not look happy.
She is not. That kid looks happy though.
Immersion learning. We did it.
Okay, so this is our last day here. And you'd never been to China before for work.
Right.
But you've been here for
I was here
vacation
on a
or
short
something.
layover one time.
Right.
Yeah, but go ahead.
No, I mean, obviously my first time here too, and we were just chatting about that it was pretty cool to see everything up close and in person. A little bit different than we thought it might be.
100%, yeah.
Did you find it interesting looking at all like the assembly process and stuff?
You know, I'd watched the videos on the past, like in the past, with our products being assembled, very short, but being here was just, I mean, it was so cool. I always see the product finished in the box and ready to send to you guys. But seeing the process and seeing how much work goes into like one product, and you know, just how strategic the assembly lines are, and really, I don't know, it's just insane. It really makes me closer to my product after seeing all of this.
Yeah, you kind of get a better understanding of what it takes maybe to make a keyboard or anything like that.
Exactly, yeah.
So
I
when somebody like me is complaining that it's taken a year, for a product to come out that you can be like, shut the hell up. This is what it takes.
You know, it's so funny because sometimes, like, when our launches, you know, sometimes they get delayed or pushed back. And it's so frustrating for me because I tell you guys, like, media, like, oh, this is gonna launch on this day, and then it gets delayed, and then I'm all like upset about it. And now I get it. Like, now I see, like, if one thing goes wrong, it's a huge delay because then you go into all this testing, and you know, it's like a huge production. Something super interesting also was like the assembly line, but then what it takes to get all the parts to the assembly line. So once you're at the assembly line, for instance, you have like the keycaps that are ready to go, right?
Right.
But prior to that, you have to go and make the keycaps and laser print them and et cetera, et cetera. So that was awesome also to see.
Yeah, it was fun. It was a fun trip. And hopefully,
Learned a lot.
Hopefully we don't get lost in downtown Hong Kong on the last day that we're here. But yeah, we're gonna go see a big fat statue.
Big Buddha.
Big Buddha.
Namaste.
We made it. There he is. We're gonna get closer. It's like a little village around the Buddha. We're gonna go check out that temple? All right. Check out this dude. There's 12 of these things. 12 divine generals. And they represent the Chinese signs of the zodiac. And they just line this entire way all the way up to... Okay, all right. And they go all the way up to the temple. The views from up here are not too shabby.
You guys want me to...
Gabe, what you doing, buddy?
Taking a picture.
He's getting the perfect shot, and so are we.
Look how everyone's doing it. You started the trend.
Right here.
He started a trend.
Okay, so 10,000, right? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, you're counting Buddhas. I have no idea what you were doing.
Yeah, 10,000.
Yeah, we're up to 4.
We're up to 4.
All right.
So 9,996 to go.
Giant koi and this ridiculous tree. Unfortunate we couldn't film inside the temple.
I know.
That was pretty amazing.
It's pretty cool.
10,000 Buddha.
I counted.
He did count.
10,000.
It took a while. That's why we can't do anything else on this trip.
We're done.
They're very non-specific here with what they love.
You know the long hair that I've always wanted?
Yeah, have you just
Finally,
you just got it?
I grew this myself. Check
That's
out this
amazing.
ponytail.
And that hat really is becoming on you. I
think it brings out the color in my eye,
it completes the look.
right?
Yeah.
I thought so.
Baby Buddhas. Time to get something to eat.
Oh, it's a bowl.
Yeah, we found like cows, water buffalo, something. Is that what they are?
I have no idea.
Maybe, but they're all over the place. I feel like they're used to people. So we were gonna get online to take the bus back, but this is the line.
We're gonna take a cab.
So we're gonna take a cab. All right, guys, this is it. We're closing it out here in Hong Kong. We are back at the airport. We made it. This is the Cooler Master team right here. Stacy,
Hi.
Gabe, and this guy. I still don't know. I still don't know who this guy is. But he keeps showing up in my vlogs. But thanks for watching, guys. And this has been a great trip. And hope you guys enjoyed all the content. See you guys next time.
See you in America.
See you in America. Say goodbye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.